Darkness, it's a creepy girly special effects. That may be too intense for some viewers. So by any moment, this show bugs you. And you feel a little bit antsy. And you need to sleep. There. Thank you. Please go ahead and stay stand up. Watch these shows on your left or myself or my friend Mikey sitting over there. Hello, Mikey. We'll be happy to assist you. Perfect. Now we have millions and millions of bugs around the world. We are proud to present It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick!
Yes! Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. A little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now.
Huh?
What? Like that. Off into the blue. Yes, thank you.
Oh.
Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. That I hate.
Oh, sorry, Flick.
Nico. Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Pull! Come on, keep them coming! Chili's on a roll.
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Listen up, my ant! Hold still!
Back off! In case you hadn't noticed, Fluorine.
You miss! Here, no one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his ground by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh shoot, I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Click.
All right. Oh, just a second.
Let him miss, Claire.
No way! You'll never catch me!
Click, the target's home.
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, boy.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made the honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends, get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they?
Still don't get it?
Well, then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stingers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders!
They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels.
Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring out the next act. He refuses to come out of his little cool. What would you think of me, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Fruition and flowers.
Give thanks to us bugs for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder-high waste. Shoulder-high waste.
And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to manage. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Till it's up to me.
Tough. It's a piece of cake. Oh, no, you don't.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
Thank you. We hope everybody enjoyed our show. We are here.
So everybody, Princess and the Bear here, and we just got out of A Bug's Life. For those people that have actually seen that movie.
Yeah, not very many people have seen that movie, but
Shame, really.
I have to say this is the show that has the most kids leaving screaming and crying. There's always at least 3 or 4 that leave in the middle of every show because it's just scary.
If you've never ridden this ride before, you sit in the seat, and they have like different 4D effects where like they blow air at you, things drop from the ceiling, your seat moves in certain instances. So for like a kid in the dark, it can be really scary.
If you've ever done like Captain EO or Honey, I Shrunk the Audience,
Or Stitch.
same. Oh yeah, Stitch's Great Escape. They all basically do the same thing.
Very similar. This combines like all of those things into one, and it is a lot for kids to handle.
It's scary. It's scary for us. We were screaming.
If your kids are even slightly afraid of the dark, this is not the right
No.
time.
Yeah, definitely skip it. I think that's kind of why the line is always short.
It's because most kids cannot handle this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even me, when the spiders jump down, I jump. I grab onto her.
spiders.
Yeah, even fake ones. Too many legs, too many eyes. Anyway, so let us know where you want us to go next.
Be sure to subscribe.
Leave a comment down below, and we'll see you soon.